Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's about Poshmark. As usual, I need to get comfortable. Oh guys, my back pain is back. I'm gonna do an update on my vlog channel telling you guys about this pregnancy. Basically, I'm just miserable. Keeping it real, keeping it real. Pregnancy is amazing and I'm so thankful and blessed that I can even get pregnant and have babies. Keeping it real, this pregnancy is very miserable. And I talked to my OB at my last appointment and she just basically said the more babies you have, the harder pregnancy is on your body. And in my case, this will be my 4th baby in 5 years. Right? Yeah. That's insane. If you want to hear all about that, check out my vlog channel. Also, I don't know if I'm loving this lip color. I feel like I look like I was in the pool for too long and my lips are purple. It's by Bite Beauty, in case you guys are wondering, in case anyone actually likes this. It's by Bite Beauty and it's the color Kaya, C-A-Y-A, and it's one of their like liquid lipsticks. Enough rambling, on to the questions. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna continue the bot conversation because people still don't get it. They don't get it. They think that they should be able to use bots on Poshmark. I did want to read this comment because this person makes a very good point and it's something that I haven't touched upon in any of my videos. She says, how about this? Maybe Poshmark doesn't want a bunch of foreign bots accessing your and or their system, funds, addresses, bank account information, etc. Bots could be a safety hazard for all accounts. And if you happen to lose all of your money when they cash you out, Posh is gonna say, we told you not to do that. So yeah, so that's a very good point. You are giving, you know, these companies access to your account. And you know, there are ways that they can like fuck up your account. They could easily, you know, delete your listing. As far as like cashing out in a different bank account, there would be like a couple steps they'd have to do, because you know, if you change your bank account, you have to verify it through Poshmark. They have to like send you an email. That would be a little bit more difficult. But no, this person makes a good point. Like, they don't want these foreign things accessing their systems. They don't. So yeah, so that makes another really good point. Just don't do it, guys. Just don't do it. Just want to throw this out there. So I currently have 377 active listings. It takes me 11 minutes to share my closet. That's not a long time. If someone has double my listings, you know, 22 minutes, triple, quadruple, and so on. It takes me 11 minutes to share my closet. I share my closet, well, the past week. Can we just talk about that for a second? Hold on, let's just talk. Mom was a little frustrated, honestly. Although, I feel like part of it's my fault. So the past, well, June was a shit show. June was just absolutely slow for me. The beginning of July, like the first week and a half in July was awesome. And then it slowed down again. And it's still very slow. Like, it's summer slowdown. It's real. It sucks. And it's definitely made me like lose motivation. I have not been sharing as often as I do. I usually try to share like at least at the bare minimum 3 times a day, but I try to share more like 6 times a day. But I guess it's comforting to know that I'm not the only one that this is happening to. It definitely is just the season. I'm actually gonna go sourcing this weekend and I'm gonna look for a bunch of fall stuff and just try to get into a fall mindset. I'm actually so ready for fall. This video is like totally rambly, but that's okay. I'm so ready for fall. Today, wanna see what the temperature is today? Okay, it says 86, but it feels like, okay, it says it feels like it's 90. It's just very humid and gross, and I'm over it. I'm ready for fall. I'm ready to wear hoodies. I'm just ready. I'm ready for fall fashion. Summer, you were good. Kinda as good as it can be during a pandemic, I guess. But yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for fall. Okay. This video is so rambly. All right, on to the questions. Hi Vanessa, it's Debbie again. I took your advice and bought myself some of those beautiful eye decorations I asked you about. Eye decorations. Lashes? lashes. I think she bought lashes. I think. Debbie, you talking about lashes? I don't remember what you're talking about. I think you're talking about lashes, eye decorations. That's cute. Okay. Posh related question. Do you think sales like 3 for $20 as an example are worth doing when your inventory isn't moving? So she's asking if I think like bundle sales like that, like 3 for $20, are worth it instead of lowering prices individually. So I've never done a 3 for $20 sale or anything like that. I've done like name your price sale, 50% off. Well, you know, I can't really say if it's more beneficial than lowering the prices individually. I feel like lowering the prices individually, you know, if you're just doing the sale for like a limited time, that's more of a hassle because then you're gonna have to go back in and change the price of the item instead of just saying like, hey, you know, everything marked with a emoji. Like, people use emojis. First of all, don't use emojis in your titles because when people search for things, they're not searching for emojis. Like, you know, when you type in like something that you want to find on Poshmark, you're not like, oh, heart emoji, you know, just, it looks cute. Yes, it looks cute, but just don't do it. So I don't know. I honestly don't know. And then your next question is, I also see a lot of people have tons of closet signs. To be honest, they distract me from their clothes and often make it difficult to get to the items they have for sale. What are your thoughts on closet signs? So currently I have one closet sign. I have like my Meet the Posher page, obviously, and then I have one closet sign that tells people to like that listing if they want to be notified when new items are added. The only other time I have closet signs are like when I was hosting my Posh and Sips. That makes me so sad to think about because I was supposed to host one. I was supposed to host a bunch actually. Anyway, so yeah, that's the only other time that I would have closet signs, when I was hosting a Posh and Sip to let people know about it. And also when I host in-app parties as well. I totally agree with you. I think that they distract from the closet, and it's just annoying to scroll through like closet signs, just like, especially ones that are like, here's the offer etiquette, and it shows like, oh my gosh, I see so many people with this. It shows like a chart and it says, you know, what not to offer someone, like discounts and stuff. Like I said, the only one I have is just telling people to like that listing if they want to be notified when I post new items, and I think that's very beneficial as well. But as far as like having more than that, like, yeah, I agree with you. I think it's annoying and distracting, and yeah, I don't want to scroll through signs. I want to see clothes or accessories or shoes or whatever I'm looking for. I don't want to see closet signs. Okay, I've rambled so much in this video. We're only going to do one more question. All right. Love. Oh, what is this? That is weird. Okay. So I just got a text from my eye doctor. Like, my kids and I go to the same eye doctor, and I just got a text confirming an appointment that 2 of my kids have this week. Eye doctor. And this question is about glasses. Like, that's so weird. All right, the question is, I love watching your videos, very helpful. I found a pair of Burberry glasses when I was thrifting and thought they were just reading glasses, but it turns out they're prescription. Have you ever sold any of those, or am I crazy to think that someone would buy someone else's prescription glasses? So I have not sold prescription glasses, but I would, especially Burberry ones, because like Burberry prescription glasses retail cost a shit ton. And you know, there are people that have the same prescription as other people. Like, there's common prescriptions, you know? So I would say definitely try to sell them. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it turned into like a rambly, mambly mess, but you know, that's just what's going on today. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. I'm gonna put it right here. KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.